As many as 10 people were killed and 30 injured when a private luxury bus MH04 FK2751, which was on its way to Shirdi in Ahmednagar district from Ambernath in Thane district, was hit by a truck MH48 T1295, which was coming from the opposite direction Shirdi to Sinnar on Friday morning. The head-on collision between the two vehicles was so intense that 10 passengers of the bus died on the spot. The truck cut one side of the bus completely, and due to it, the passengers of the bus who were sitting on that side received serious injuries. The accident took place at around 6:30 a.m. on Friday near Eshaneshwar Temple in Pathre Shivar on the Sinnar-Shirdi road. Due to the accident, the traffic on the highway was disrupted for some time.
अच्छा ये ना सिन्नर में गए तो चलो ठीक है पाटिल